born with a slow metabolism. Well, that's what these people thought. The slow metabolism can be created by a condition called insulin resistance. But what if there were a way to clear up the confusion? Well, there is. It's a completely new way to lose weight called GOLO. GOLO works like nothing else to help you reverse the effects of insulin resistance and get rid of your belly fat once and for all. To learn more, go to GOLO.com.
Dinner. A lot happens on your wooden surfaces. Luckily, no one cleans and kills germs better than Clorox disinfectant.